Hi everyone, Judy here. This is your Maestra. I'm going to teach you Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to say that's too much. That's too much. Sobra ra na. Let me repeat that. Sobra ra na. Okay, repeat after me. Sobra ra na. Sobra ra na. Again. Sobra ra na. Okay, let's break it down. Too much is sobra. That means it's excess, leftover, or surplus. Sobra. Ra is an emphasis. The meaning of ra is just. But in this case, it is more like an emphasis. Na is that. It's a shortcut of ka na. Na. Sobra ra na. That's too much. Okay, it's your turn to practice. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I want to invite you to go over my site, cebuano101.com. To access the rest of the lessons, you may need to subscribe to my members access plan. Okay, I'll see you next Friday for another short video lesson. Bye!